Hello guys, welcome back to another video. सबसे पहले Eid Mubarak guys. In this video I gonna wish Eid Mubarak in Urdu, Telugu and in Hindi using C++. Yes, it's possible. Watch the video till the end. Guys, now let's start to code. I have copied Eid Mubarak in Hindi from Chrome and now I am pasting it. We are just printing it here and finally return. Now let's execute this. As you can see, this gave a different output than we expected because Windows console does not support like unique codes. But if you run it on Linux, it surely works and gives the proper output. Now I gonna use another method for showing this as proper output. Here I gonna use files and show how it works. Now let's start to code. Here we gonna use file system. So we are including fstream. Now main function of stream my file, and we are creating a file called wish.txt, and now we will write into the my file, and we gonna paste the in the format of Eid Mubarak. Now we will close my file dot close. Now let's run it. Here we have got nothing as we are not giving any output. Now we will check the file. On desktop I have stored wish.txt and now I am opening it. Here you can see Eid Mubarak. I stored in this in Notepad. Now we will do it in Telugu. I have copied the Telugu format and now I am pasting here it, and now I am gonna execute it. Here you can see it is done. Now we will see the file of opening the file. Here you can see it is given. Now we will do it in Urdu. I have copied it from Google in Urdu format of Eid Mubarak. Now I'm pasting it over here. Now I'm gonna executing it. It is done successfully. And now I'm gonna show you the file. Here you can see that.
Thanks, Namaste.